Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Cambridge local and long distance movers near me. Moving to Cambridge? Make sure you take the time to enjoy this paradise and let us take care of the rest. The solution is 3 Movers Professional Moving Services in Cambridge, Ontario. Many companies have long distance limitations and can only supply services up to a certain distance. However, we specialize in both long distance and international relocation. There are constraints between provinces that must be considered, but our firm prepares you for them beforehand. Our specialized vehicles give you plenty of room to securely place each box. You don't have to be concerned about the charges because we always keep our promise regarding the providing affordable offers. Moving locally is much easier because you don't have to travel for hundreds of miles and the destination is closer and more familiar. We also provide hourly prices so that you do not have to pay for the entire day. There may be some minor expenses associated with obstructions like the apartment stair or luggage burden, but we are very open about it. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Cambridge moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.